In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up global color styles in Figma so you can keep your designs consistent and update colors quickly. Start by opening your Figma file and creating a few color swatches using rectangles. Select a color swatch, then click the style icon next to the fill section in the right sidebar. Choose Create Style and give the color a name like Primary Blue or Accent Green. Repeat this process for the rest of your colors to build your palette. To use a color style, select any object or text layer, open the Fill menu and choose your saved style. If you need to change a color later, simply edit the style once and every element using that style will update automatically. And that's it! You've successfully created a global color palette in Figma. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.